This is the Rotch-Jones-Duff House Garden and Museum. I am a docent and volunteer here at the Rotch-Jones-Duff House. You're seeing today the house decorated for the holiday season. The house being built in 1834. Only 3 families have lived here, and it's nice to see. We also have our rose garden. That was 300 new rose bushes were planted a year ago, and 600 new boxwoods. Many functions are held here, both out in the garden and also here in the house. Aha night, second Thursday of each month, and also lectures are given, along with music in the double parlors.